Welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox few of the boards I purchased from online. Come, let's see what's inside. Let's open one by one. I am using a cutting blade for opening the parcels. The item is wrapped with cover for protection, and it's an IR sensor. An infrared sensor is an electronic instrument that is used to sense certain characteristics of its surroundings. It does this by either emitting or detecting infrared radiation. Infrared sensors are also capable of measuring the heat being emitted by an object and detecting motion. The sensor LEDs are lightly bent. In this I have ordered motor driver shield from Amazon. The motor shield is a driver module for motors that allows you to use Arduino to control the working speed and direction of the motor. Based on the dual full bridge drive chip L298, it is able to drive 2 DC motors or a step motor. This packet consists of 2 items: 5-volt relay module and ultrasonic sensors, which are wrapped with cover neatly. And I think so there is no damage. An ultrasonic sensor is an instrument that measures the distance to an object using ultrasonic sound waves. An ultrasonic sensor uses a transducer to send and receive ultrasonic pulses that relay back information about an object's proximity. I have ordered some jumper wires of female to female, male to female and male to male jumper wires. In this there is a servo motor MG90. Along with its connectors. A servo motor is an electrical device which can push or rotate an object with great precision. If you want to rotate an object at some specific angles or distance, then you use servo motor. It is just made up of simple motor which run through servo mechanism. And there was a 16x2 LCD, wrapped neatly with cover. And there was ESP01. But this was not wrapped. But pins are not bent. Let's see when I interface, it should work. This packet consists of lithium-ion batteries and battery holder. The battery one which I ordered is 3.7 volt and 2600 mAh battery. And finally here comes the last product, Peltier module 12706. Here, I have displayed all the modules which I have unpacked today. The link of each product is given in the description below. I hope you have enjoyed it. Next week I will unbox few more modules which I have ordered. Thank you, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below.